In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request calendar permissions in Outlook. We'll walk through how to do this in Outlook Classic on the desktop, and then in the new Outlook experience on the web or app, so you can choose the method that matches what you're using. Let's start with Outlook Classic. First, open Outlook and switch to the calendar view from the navigation pane. This makes sure you're working directly with your calendars rather than email. In the calendar list, right-click your calendar, or whichever calendar is relevant, and choose Share, then Share Calendar. This opens the sharing window where you'll set up your request. In the sharing window, enter the email address of the person whose calendar you'd like to view. Make sure to check the option labeled Request Permission to view recipient's calendar. That tells Outlook you're asking for access rather than just sending your calendar to them. You can optionally allow them to view your calendar at the same time, which can make coordination easier and often speeds up approvals. Add a brief, clear message so they understand why you're requesting access, then click Send. They'll receive an email prompting them to approve your request. Once they accept, you'll be able to see their calendar based on the permissions they grant. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to sync. Now let's look at the new Outlook on the web or app. From the navigation pane, select Calendar to switch into the calendar view. On the Home tab, choose Share Calendar. In the sharing panel, type the person's name or email address. You'll see a permissions drop-down, such as can edit or similar options. Choose the level you intend to grant them for your calendar, then select Share to send the invitation. They'll receive an email that lets them accept your share and, if appropriate for your organization, grant you access in return. This flow is designed to make sharing reciprocal and straightforward, and keeping your message clear helps the recipient respond quickly. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth: make sure you're selecting the correct calendar if you manage more than one, keep your message concise and professional so the recipient understands the context, and choose only the minimum permission level needed. If the person doesn't see the email, they may need to check their junk or clutter folders. That's it. Thanks for watching.